Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
A great architect never estimates where a wall goes. Everything is measured and positioned from a blueprint. Photoshop's rulers and guides are your blueprint system. Press Ctrl-R to reveal rulers along the top and left edges of your canvas. Right-click either ruler and switch units to pixels for web accuracy. Drag from the top ruler horizontally to pull out a horizontal guide. Drag from the left ruler to pull a vertical one. For a complete grid layout, go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Set your column count, gutter width, and margins, and Photoshop generates a full responsive grid across the canvas automatically. Every element snaps